Uh-oh. Oh, clocking. Clocking. In the bearings. How you doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is the other day, and today we have other BMW. The reason why we do a lot of BMWs right now, because the BMW's price is still low. It's for a reason, because it's not too many mechanics can fix the cars, or a lot of mechanics can fix the cars, but it's overpriced, and the customers and the owners didn't want to spend a bunch of money for fix the car. So right now we pick up from Copart for the other 2006 X5 that says runs and drive, but you know, it's sketchy. So let me see what I got. So here is. We just did out of the video. We just put it in a new battery because the battery was fully died. But the car is actually the exterior is in a good shape. So let me see. Oh man, we're in the key right now. I have power, and let's have a misfire. So, oh my goodness. Oh my Jesus. Okay. Let me go in the shop. Oh jeez. Not even rev it up. Oh damn. Let me check. Oh. I freaking turn off the radio. Oh. Jeez. Ooh. Hey, let's die. Right away, die. Okay, how do I turn off this? Okay, this one. Okay. Mute. Okay, let's check the car. The reason why you don't have the front grill, just missing one piece, not too much one piece because the head is stuck. There we go. I just look around the inspect the car, inspect the engine. The computer diagnosis said it's a misfire, cylinder number 1, 2, 3. So the first I need to check the vacuum hoses, make sure everything's fine. So, and the brake was very hard, so probably there's some the brake booster vacuum line is fucked up. Let me see, I want to check. Is that oil? Look like good. I have a major oil leak. Look like not from the valve cover. It's not from the valve cover, so there's something else. It's fine. Look like goes out before the intake. Let me take off the spark plugs. Haha, funny. Number 3. Okay. I show you guys what I find the first. Here we go. I take off all the 6 spark plug. Check this. 6 spark plug and 6 type. 6 different type. This is this is someone tried to mismatch with everything. So this 6.5. This is something bullshit. Here, that is bullshit. This one I don't even know what is that. And this one NGK. This is the other type of the NGK. This is a other type of the NGK. And this is a Denso. So 6 cylinders, 6 different type of the spark plug. That is possibility. It's have a misfire. Right now we are here, so this is a good time to do the compression test. Make sure everything's on right. Cylinder number 1. 120. That's okay. Okay, cylinder number 2. This one just 110. 110. Cylinder number 3. This is 115. Number 4. 120. So number 5. Oops. 0. That is the bad news, man. Number 6. That is just 100. Okay. So, cylinder number 5. Cylinder number 5, no compression at all. So, let me do something. I have a little bit of thick oil. I use this one just for repair the engine. You know, it's having I don't know 1040 or something. So I just put it in a spark plug hole, just a little bit, and try to measure again. Try to measure again. Still nothing. So we want to fix it, need the engine out. So engine out, guys. BMW engine come out. Magic. Come out the engine. Come out the engine. Cylinder number 5, no compression at all. Okay guys, so the engine is over there. I calling today. That's it. So please don't forget subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below. And on the next part, we will break down the engine. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow. Peace.